Thank you so much for your time, Chioma. Let's first start with your expectations for MPC.
Good afternoon. Well, I think the expectation is that all the indices will remain steady. They won't change anything as the economy slowly picks up. The economy slowly picks up. If you look at GDP, we saw the GDP grow, expanded marginally by 0.5% in Q 2020. So we expect that they'll just have this sit and wait approach with some shed some light on how they're going to improve the economy.
All right, now let's get into what we're seeing play out in the market. I understand we're expecting some inflows coming today.
Oh, well, the market opened short about 327 billion, but with the 110 billion on maturity coming into the market, we expect some respite on the rates. Yesterday, the rates traded at the range of 14 to 16%. But with the expectation of with the 110 billion and barring any funding requirements you have in the market, we expect the rates to moderate to about 10%.
10%. But what's your outlook for the primary market auction this week?
Well, there's 63 billion on offer tomorrow across three tenors. Well, we expect that feedback from the MPC will help guide the rates. We've seen that the market, the T-bills market, the fixed income market generally is quiet. There's little or no trade there with the expectation of the outcome of MPC. So what we expect tomorrow is basically that rates will remain stable at 2.5, 3.5 and 9.7% across the three tenors offered tomorrow.
And your outlook for currency?
Well, the currency is stable at 411 at the I&E window. We've not seen a lot of liquidity in that space, but we've seen turnover increase to about 211 from the lows of 80 million. We expect the turnover to continue to increase, and we expect that the central bank will continue to intervene, both on the I&E window for FPIs and then the SME and invisible windows.
All right, but looking at the bond market going into the week, though, what are your expectations?
The bond market is quiet. We trade across the tenors, but basically we're just trading the outcome of the last auction sentiment. Rates are currently at about 13 to 14% across the yield curve.